Hello, my dear student. Today we make the jumping game by using the scratch. Okay, so this is our jumping game. Now, first we play. So our chick is jumping and score is going to be up. Okay, so this game we created by using the scratch. Step by step we are follow. Okay, now we create. So look how to create the scratch game. Look, first we minimize this one, we take the new file. Okay okay now first step, we are deleting this sprite already given by the scratch. So we deleted this sprite, we choose our sprite. So I take the chick. Okay, moving down, so this is our chick. So I take chick, and also I select the backdrop. Okay, so I select blue sky. Okay, so this is our chick, and we set chick on the land. So our chick is set down on the land. So what is the first step we are doing? So we are going to the motion sec block. We take change y-axis 10, means our chick is going to be 10 step up. Okay, so I change y-axis, y is vertically. Okay, so when we click on the y-axis, so 10 step going to be our chick is up. Okay, so now I take the going to the control section. I take the repeat blocks, this will be going to be repeated. So our chick is highly jump. Okay, highly jump up. Okay, now I take the downward, so our chick is going to be down. So again we are going to the motion section and change y-axis. Okay, take the change y-axis, but it is negative because I want our chick going to be down. So I take -10. Okay, again I going to the control section. I repeat, take the repeat block, repeat code. So it's going to be repeated downward. Okay, so now I set down. Okay, after that I play this one. So it's going to be up and down. So I set my chick first on the land. Okay, I set it. Now I click, so it will be going up and down. Okay, now another things what we do, we going to the event section, we take the space key. So when we press the space key, it going to be up and down. Look, so I press space key, so it's going to be up and down. Also I fitted the sound. So I take the started sound chirp. When we press the space key, the sound will become. Okay, now after that we are take the another sprite, egg. Okay, so we going to the sprite sections. I choose my egg. So it is egg, so I selected. So this egg is very big, so I small down this egg. So I giving the side number. So side number is 100 or given to us, but I change, I take 70. Okay, so now our egg is decreased. Now I set my egg in the starting position. So this is our starting position. Already already x-axis and y-axis automatically set. Look, this is x-axis, this is a horizontal line, and this is the verticals and verticals line. So already dimension is set. Okay, so I go to the motion section. I take the go to x and y axis. So I take x and y. Now I glide means egg is moving slowly. Okay, so our egg is using this path. It's going to be slowly. So x-axis and y-axis is automatically set 70 and 80, 70 and 90. Now we are going to the glide section. I take glide. So now I click on this, so our egg is moving down. so it is moving very fast, so I take the 3 second. Okay, now I click, so it's going to be slowly it's down moving. Okay, now I take the forever loop, so it going to be forever it's continue moving. So I go into the control section, I take the forever loops, so I put it the forever loops. After that we are going to the event section, we use our flag. When we pressing the flag, the egg is moving continuously it is moving. Okay, now I want to stop this egg, so what is the command we are using? So look, so when we stop this egg, so I going to the control section. Here we take the stop code, so I drag down a stop code. After that we are using the wait until. How much wait? So I take the wait until control section, so I take the wait until. So this is our wait until, so I put it here. Now I going to the sensing block, so I using touching. When egg is touching by the chick, it will be stop, so I click on the check. So our when egg is touching by the chick, so game is over. Okay, now I putting the flag, so going to the event section, take the flag. Okay, so now it is working, it will be stopped. Okay, after that again we are going to the chick section. I take my variables because score is already we want, so I take the makeup variable. So variable name is score. Okay, so variable created. Now change my variables, so I put it here, change my score 1, so it is upgraded by 1. Okay, so my score is when we jumping, so our score is going to be 1 when we are not touching by the egg and our jump right, so my score is going to be 1. Now we are using the score set, so I using the score set. My score is 0, so my score is set 0. And also I put it the flag, so I go into the event section, so I take the flag, so my score is 0. When I am playing this game, so my score is going to be up. Now our game is completed. What we do, I summarize a whole game. First I take my chick sprite, after that I put it the this code, sprite code, moving up and downs x, and when we are pressing the space keyword, sound is come. Okay, after that I take my egg. Okay, I change, I my egg is moving right to left, so I use the glide section, it moving very slowly, so I take 3 seconds. Okay, when we press the flag, also chick, when egg is touching by the chick, so game is over. Okay, so these are the steps we are using. Now we play how it is work. So now it is our game, I moving, I jumping, so my score is going to be up. Look on the board, sound properly come. So this is our game is completed. Now I touch, egg is touching, so game is over and my score is 7. So you are using this code and make the diagram, make the this game. If you understand all things, keep it watch and please like, subscribe, share also, so most of the students understand this code. So now we meet in the another game. Thanks for watching.